I'm Patricia San Pedro, and I want to share with you the double serum method using Glow Recipes serums. When you double up or layer the serums, you can double the benefits. To brighten and soothe sensitive skin, use the Guava Vitamin C Serum and the Avocado Ceramide. So to start, you will use 1 to 2 pumps of the Guava Vitamin C and gently just pat it on both sets of fingertips and pat it into your skin. I like to usually target specific areas of my face. For me, it's my cheeks and around the mouth where I get sunspots. So I will target those areas the most, but I definitely want full coverage for vitamin C. And that's one layer. Then I will move on to the Avocado Ceramide, 1 to 2 pumps. And I will press into my skin and make sure you wait about 30 seconds between layers so that the first layer seeps into the skin first and then the second layer is ready to be absorbed by the skin. And I just pat it in everywhere. Next is to boost radiance and deeply hydrate. So the vitamin C will boost your radiance, and deeply hydrating is the Hyaluronic Plump Serum. And I like to layer this on when I just want an extra glow, extra hydration, and more retention of hydration. So the vitamin C, again, 1 pump, press it into the skin, and also with the, just to show you the consistency of the Hyaluronic Serum, I will show you the pump here. And it's a very watery, drippy consistency. It's smooths on, such a nice texture. Sometimes I glide it in. I usually like to press it into the skin, and your skin feels so hydrated. And you are literally just glistening. Now next up is treat dark spots and instantly glow. So to treat the dark spots, you want to start with the Guava Vitamin C Serum, then the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Drops, which will give you an instant glow. So you've already seen the guava. Let's just show it to you one more time. The Guava Vitamin C, just a beautiful consistency. And I will pat it into my skin first. My interest is to pat it into all areas of the skin, of the facial skin, and I do include my neck. The Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, also such a beautiful consistency. The bottle is also gorgeous. All over for an instant glow, and I will share with you my glow. Now, super important tip before you go, make sure you are using SPF during the day, at least 30 SPF and higher, especially if you are doing vitamin C, AM or PM, both is best. And you want to protect the skin after you've done your treating of dark spots using vitamin C. It's super important to use SPF. Thanks for watching, and love and light.